Good morning, this is Bill Mascas with MarineMax in Stuart, and this morning I'm gonna show you this awesome 13 Super Sport from Boston Whaler. It's a little boat that can do pretty much everything you want to do. Great for the sandbar, great for the intercoastal, bar hopping, restaurant hopping, whatever you wish. She's powered by a 40 horsepower Mercury, which will take her to 25-30 miles an hour. 6 gallon fuel tank gives you about 100-mile range. Believe it or not, it's a very little consuming engine. Comfortable sitting on the bench with your tachometer, charging port, and also your nav lights, anchor lights switch. The lever for the throttle ergonomically positioned right next to you with a kill switch for your protection if you were to fall off the boat. Remember to wear your cord. Nice bio area with a space for your anchor and rod. You can option it out with a cushion for the bow. You can add right here a cooler that fits exactly in this space and have a cushion on top, and also cushions or bucket seats for the bench seat. Remember, the boat is rated for 4 people or 474 pounds, so realistically speaking, we're talking 2 to 3 people as the crew for this boat, so have that in mind. Another cool feature, you know, the bimini, we all know what a bimini does, but also it is adjustable, so you don't have to completely collapse it when you go to store it in your garage. You can actually adjust the height of where it sits, and you don't have to completely collapse it. This is basically this 13 Super Sport. It comes with the trailer. We're here at MarineMax in Stuart. Would love to answer all your questions, so give us a call when you have a chance or check it out on our website. Thank you for watching.